Looking for the best security camera in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated indoor and outdoor security cameras with the latest AI motion detection, 4K video quality, night vision, cloud storage, and smart home compatibility. Whether you need a wireless security camera for your home, office, or business, this buying guide compares the best options to help you choose the perfect security camera for your needs and budget. Number 3. The Sonato S1 Wireless Outdoor Security Camera 4-pack is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for an affordable, wire-free security system with reliable solar power and smart monitoring features. Combining 2K resolution, AI-powered motion detection, and integrated solar charging, this camera system provides dependable home protection with minimal maintenance. One of its biggest advantages is the 100% wireless design. Each camera features a built-in solar panel that continuously recharges the battery with regular sunlight, eliminating the need for power cables or frequent battery removal. Installation is quick and simple. Mount the camera, connect it to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and begin monitoring your property within minutes. The cameras capture crisp 2K HD video during the day and offer full-color night vision using built-in spotlights, making it easier to identify faces, vehicles, and important details after dark. AI-enhanced PR motion detection helps distinguish people from common false triggers like moving branches or small animals, reducing unnecessary alerts. Additional features include two-way audio, allowing users to communicate with visitors remotely, along with a spotlight and siren that automatically activate when suspicious activity is detected. The cameras are also rated IP65 weatherproof, ensuring dependable operation through rain, dust, and changing seasons. Users consistently praise the easy installation, excellent video quality, dependable solar charging, responsive mobile app, and helpful customer support. Overall, the Sonato S1 4-pack offers outstanding value, making it a smart and reliable outdoor security solution for modern homes. Number 2. The AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit is a smart and affordable home security solution that delivers comprehensive surveillance without requiring a monthly subscription. Featuring solar-powered cameras, 360 degrees pan and tilt, 2K resolution, and local encrypted storage, this system is designed for homeowners who want reliable protection with minimal maintenance. A standout feature is the included AOSU base, which stores all recordings locally on 32 gigabytes of encrypted storage, providing up to 4 months of loop recording without cloud fees. Even if a camera is damaged or stolen, your recorded footage remains safely stored in the base station. The app also offers instant motion notifications, stable live streaming, and easy management of all cameras. Each camera offers 360-degree coverage with intelligent auto motion tracking, automatically following people or activity across the monitored area to reduce blind spots. The 2K 3MP resolution delivers sharp daytime footage, while 4 built-in LED lights provide bright full-color night vision for improved visibility after dark. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. The integrated solar panels keep the batteries charged with just a few hours of daily sunlight, eliminating the need for frequent recharging. Users also appreciate the smooth mobile app, clear video quality, and simple Wi-Fi setup. Overall, the AOSU 4-camera security system offers an impressive combination of smart features, reliable performance, local storage, and subscription-free operation, making it one of the best wireless outdoor security camera systems for homeowners in 2026. Number 1. The Eufy Security Solo Cam S344 Cam Kit with Homebase S380 is a feature-packed wireless security system designed to provide complete home protection without the burden of monthly subscription fees. Combining 3K video resolution, dual camera technology, and intelligent AI tracking, this system delivers outstanding image quality and reliable performance for homeowners who want dependable security. One of the biggest highlights is the 360 degrees pan and tilt capability, which virtually eliminates blind spots. Each camera can rotate to monitor driveways, front doors, backyards, and other outdoor areas with ease. The dual camera system also supports 8x zoom, allowing users to clearly identify people, vehicles, and other important details from up to 40 feet away. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the wire-free design and removable solar panel, which continuously recharges the batteries in normal sunlight. Once installed, the cameras require very little maintenance while providing around-the-clock surveillance. The included Homebase S380 supports local storage expandable up to 16 terabytes, eliminating the need for costly cloud subscriptions. AI-powered detection accurately recognizes people, vehicles, and animals while reducing false alerts. The system also integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa for convenient voice control. Users consistently praise the excellent video quality, accurate motion tracking, easy setup, and dependable solar charging. Overall, the Eufy Security Solo Cam S344 Cam Kit offers premium features, reliable performance, and exceptional long-term value, making it one of the best wireless outdoor security camera systems available in 2026. Thanks for watching our Best Security Cameras Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect security camera for your home or business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews, buying guides, and the latest gadget recommendations. Let us know in the comments which security camera is your favorite or which one you're planning to buy. See you in the next video.